Which grade of concrete do you use in precast? So the grade of concrete is going to be exactly the same as what you would use in an RCC construction. The methodology is exactly the same. You're using steel and concrete. The connection details might vary, but it's more or less exactly the same. You're again going to use the same softwares. Maybe it may be STAD or ETABS, but the methodology or the basic understanding of structural engineering does not change. So whatever your structural engineer advises you to use, you have to use that, depending on the design, of course, and the loadings required. Generally, what is used is M35, M45. For hollow core slabs, the concrete grade is a little higher because you're using an extruder machine, so that goes up to M50 or M60 and sometimes even M75. Outside India, it's called C35, C45, C70, C55. So it's just that for hollow core slabs, you need a little more strength because you're reducing the water a lot. And of course, in normal walls or columns or beams, it can vary from C35, M35 to M45, depending on the design. So I hope I answered that question. If you have any more questions, please leave it in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer most of them. I want to know what you guys don't understand about this technology so I can clear it. So please leave your comments down. Thank you so much.